What are things that people were doing in the last 10 years that aren't working and you shouldn't do? And what are new things that people are doing to get you business in 2023 and especially next year, 2024?
Over the last 10 years, you could go write 100 blog posts. You could run a ton of ads on Craigslist. Yes, you could still do some print ads and things like that. They worked, fairly well. In the recession, it was weird. You could run print ads because no one could afford to run them, and they'd make the phone ring like it was 2004 all over again. Open houses really died there for a moment in time, and we're just talking over the last 10 years. And you used to be able to just kind of build a website and get a few reviews. That doesn't really work as well anymore. And also what else is dying is cold calling. Cold calling, which we do a lot of, that's dying. Okay, what's picking up? Not having one review, having 100. You have to massively differentiate yourself from the market. And so if the average agent in your area has got 20 reviews, you need to go get 50 or 100. Creating content. I started creating actually due to your help and support, way back in the day. And some of those old videos, 15, 20, 30,000 views. What if I had never stopped and heeded your advice? P.S. Benji does all kinds of amazing things for other creators too. But what if I had never stopped? And so I look at this with this TikTok explosion, Instagram explosion, Facebook explosion, YouTube explosion. Because cold calling is slowly weeding away, agents are going to have to transition to how do I get face-to-face? Content, even bigger. Social media, even bigger. I find agents that are afraid to cold call are also afraid to post on social media. I also find an interesting thing where I got people, guys and girls, and they're cold call warriors, and they're afraid of social media. Social media is easier than cold calling. Door knocking still works. Worked then, works now. Open houses, they're back again. Why? Inventory is so low. Kind of that really tight market that happened over the last 3 years really made the open house not as favorable. They're favorable again. Our team's picking up deals at open houses.
Because there's not that many of them.
What else is really working for people, and we already touched on this, but we overlook it, is increasing your skill set and increasing your market knowledge. Thanks for watching today. Hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Hey, YouTube recommended you watch this video right here.